right, so the sunlight's going away. I'm trying to find a good parking spot where I get at least a little bit of sunlight on the tires so I can show you guys something. But I think I got one right here. On the BRZ, I always knew where the wheel was against the curb. Like, I just knew my car and the sizing of the car. And this one, it's still getting used to it. It's just so much bigger than the BRZ. But me having the new car with no floor mats, I still have the dealer mats on it, dealer plastic. What I had to do was I had to get a few little upgrades. Now on the BRZ, there was a button here. When the car was unlocked, you can hit the button. On the base model WRXs, I don't know about the limited, there's no button on here. So you literally have to open it from up front or from the key fob. Now there's big holes inside of the front bumper, so I got this to like cover the holes, but right now I have the license plate. Let me see if it even fits. Honestly, I think I like how it looks with the license plate on it already. Let's see if these holes match up. Honestly, the holes are not even gonna match up. So I'll probably just give this to, give it to my brother or something. I like the look of the license plate better than I would have liked this either way. Car guys always get impatient and start buying stuff. Obviously got some floor mats because that's something we're gonna need. I just went with these. I'm not a big baller to get WeatherTech mats just yet. All right, so I don't know if you guys saw the tires. I just washed my car before this video. Those tires are going through it. There, the sun shows all flaws. Look at that, that's ugly. So I got this from Chemical Guys. We're gonna spray it on there, see if it makes a difference. And then you have the tire shine applier. So we'll do that here in a second. Also got some microfiber towels. That's always needed when you're a car guy and clean your car all the time. Oh, and another thing I got, it's Rain-X. So it's a water repellent. I'm pretty sure almost everyone that's watching this know what Rain-X is. But if you guys don't, the other day I was driving this exact car after applying some of this on, and literally it was like pouring rain. The camera didn't do justice. I didn't have my wipers on, and like I didn't even need the wiper. It was just like blowing all the water, I guess repelling all the water away. This thing works like a freaking charm. So all you have to do is just pour it on the glass after washing the glass, and then you wipe it down with microfiber towels. So you should be good there. But what I want to take care of is those freaking tires. So let's spray those down and let's get those shiny. All right, it's gonna be kind of hard doing it without a camera stand. I already unlocked it. So let's just like spray it on there. To be honest, I don't even know how much you're supposed to spray, or if I'm even doing it right, or if you just spray it on the applier, but whatever. All right, we're doing it my way, and then we just apply this on. So just like that, and right there, start shining it up. So basically that's what it's gonna start doing, and you do that throughout the whole car. I think it would have been smarter to spray it on here and slowly start applying it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, and then I'll show you guys the after product. Yeah, so it was much easier when you spray it directly on here and then you go rubbing it around the wheel. It makes a much bigger difference. Look at that. Compared to how it was before in the sun, much cleaner. So whenever you wash your car, make sure you shine your tires, because having ugly tires like this that are all brown really takes away from the whole look of the entire car. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna spray all of them down on the other side as well. Then I'm gonna get my tires nice and shiny. All right, so I applied it on all 4 wheels. And now that it's like drying and settling in, honestly, the product kind of sucks. Like, it's pretty foggy. We use Tire Shine at my job. The detailer uses it, but they use a different brand. And it leaves the tires looking very shiny. These ones are just like drying up. I mean, yeah, it helped. It made it look darker and it took away the brown and the orange. But honestly, after this bottle waste, I think I'm not gonna buy it again. It was only $6, $7 at Walmart. I mean, I always see these guys on Instagram. I'm not trying to bash them, but their Tire Shine low-key sucks. Let's get these mats in. So it looks like on the back seat mats, it's separate. You have to cut it. They come together. So thank God Miguel, in his new whip, in his new flow, got a knife so he can cut this mat. The fronts, they fit all right. But I mean, what do you expect? They're universal. They do cover the gas release, the gas tank release. But I mean, at least it keeps it clean like Miguel said, so whatever. You feel me? Back ones are all cut and they're in. The reason I got them separated is because of this big old pillar in the middle. But they fit nice and snug. Para la gente que comen atrás, donde está haciendo reguero. Here we go. Looking better, much better with the mats, much more usable. Let's see what else we got. Oh, a mess. But let's see if this crap fits in Miguel's new car. Got the G37X. You know, if it has an X in it, it's super fast. And guess what? Just like my car, his came with big old ugly holes. So let's see if it fits. Nope. Oh, the holes don't match. No more little mustache. And there we go, guys. Mod it out. Alright, so the WRX 9000X. Pour it all on here. Y con la vaina. You have to open it first. Pour the crap on here. Kind of like ketchup on a burger. Oh, look at that. Crack? Yeah, I already got a rock chip in it. That's what started with my last car. Oh, it's because I haven't anointed it. I'll be right back. All right. This right here is called anointing oil. Basically means approval of God. So whenever I get a new car, new house, new girl, new friends.
Oh, it's pooping. I seen that. Oh, that was so bad.
So whenever I get, you know, a new anything, I tend to anoint it and put it in God's hands. That way he can free me from any accidents, any bad spirits. Then we can anoint his car too. Call me religious, call it whatever you want. Pero God is real. Tu sabes de lo mío. So the WRX is all streaky. Camera can't really catch it. You just basically take another microfiber towel and you wipe the streaks away. Yeah, it feels much different with these mats inside. I mean, I kept the plastic in basically for now, but next time I vacuum it, I'll take them off. One thing I did notice in this car is the lighting. Look at that. Nice and bright, but yellow. Yellow. And the headlights, yellow. Ooh, one thing I did like, you probably can't see it because it's daytime. I forget what they're called. I usually know what they're called. But right now in this moment, I forget what they're called. So I'll write it right here. Bing! Yeah, it's pretty cool that it has that in red. But then the feet is all dark. And this is all dark. But I have a solution for that. As every racer would do, they go to eBay. So I got interior lighting, I got license plate lighting, lighting for that, and lighting for the side doors that go somewhere around here. And it's all gonna be red interior lighting. It matches the red here, the red there. But what I'm going to do is here, I'll probably put these red, but these lights right here, I'll probably do LED. That way if I ever lose something or need to actually see here at night, I'll do these LED. But for now, they'll go red. I'll see how they do red. Ooh, and also, I got my rims in for the WRX. It's like, nah. As you probably saw in the last video, those are for the 350Z. But he's not here right now. He's out making out with his girlfriend. But what I did get is some cheap wipes so you can wipe the interior down. Since I washed it, I'm about to do that. And then I got these at Marshall's. They look pretty cool. Gabi has it on the 350Z. They're basically for the feet, as you see here in the picture. Comes with a little remote. You can change the light. So I'm probably gonna do that. I'll probably put the lights in and install these, and then I'll like show the before and after in a different video, probably at nighttime. And that'll probably be like a 1-minute video. You know how people do, so you could just see it. I hate when people do those one videos showing you lights. Here, let me grab it. I hate when people do those one videos like showing you lights or exhaust, but they show like a whole vlog before actually getting to the final product. So I'll probably do a separate video for these, but it should make the interior a little bit better. Ya tu sabes lo mío. Bro, look at all those ants. Camera does not do justice. Bro, there's so much. Oh. All right, we're ready to head out to the car meet. Okay, my guys, see you with a wet. There we go. Look at them angles. So yeah, this is Apple CarPlay I was telling you about. Tiene toda la vaina, todos los features de Apple CarPlay. Music, it's just very convenient. If you don't have an Apple phone, then get Android CarPlay. The Kenwood's just really nice to have, but it's temporary because the one I want to get fills the whole screen. It's a really nice full screen, I believe 7-inch. You can watch videos on it and all that crap. That's what I'm planning on get to this. But all right, we're about to head to a car meet. I mean, the tire shine isn't too bad, but like in person, it's just not shiny. Right, Miguel? Con tu reggaeton todo encendido. Her first drink. It's like, I'm kidding. This is like the 30,000th time I put gas in it. Okay, but them booties though. Them booties ready for the meat. Okay. See, now that's tire shine.
That's after 6 months of it being on there.
When's the last time you put it on?
6 months ago.
Yeah, right. 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
What's it called?
Dura Coating.
Dura Coating? How much is it?
$40.
It's definitely worth it. Them $6, $7. What are those guys called? Tire guys? Oh, chemical guys? Dang, that looks clean. Shoo. Eso es reggaeton, manito. This is what you call a detailer. It's a bunch of detailing crap. You talking crap about chemical guys, but look at that.
That is a ceramic detailer.
Yeah, but it's still chemical guys.
Yeah, that ain't really work that well. I actually prefer the ceramic wires.
Poor guys. Hey, but they out here hustling, making money.
Wires. Big wires. Oh, this is, what is this? Yeah.
Ceramic and leather.
Pulling a music.
Oh, so the Dura crap is Maguire?
No, it's Dura Coating. It's its own brand.
Ooh.
Sorry, it's, yeah, Dura Coating is a brand, but the tire dressing is called Dura Dressing. I have to think about it.
Okay, little Subi. On our way to the meet. Let's get it. Bro, Cameron doesn't do justice on his tire shine. Yes, I'm still mad at my tire shine. Definitely gonna have to get Duramax or Duragel or Dura whatever he said. I'll just rewatch the video to know what he said. that's it for today's video. That was a lot of donuts, a lot of drifting, a lot of crazy noise and all that stuff. That's for me. About to go to Elevation Worship concert. So I'll see you guys next Friday for the next video. Thank you for getting this far, and the build continues. Stay safe, stay faith driven.